Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
We have a 75-degree air temperature and a dew point to match. A few fair weather clouds out there, and an east wind blows at about 5. That east wind will shift more northeast and then eventually northwest as we head into the afternoon. Look for 77 in Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka at 75. So is Parrish, 74 in Bradenton, Sarasota 75, 77 Venice, 79 Boca Grande, 78 in Northport. So here's the latest. This is probably the last day that I will be giving these to you, and I know they only pertain to a few people, but the Peace River near Zolfo Springs, where there was certainly some road flooding and issues there, is on the decline. The river has crested and it is beginning to fall. The same thing would hold up upstream at Wauchula, where a trailer park has had some water in the actual trailers. At Myakka River State Park, crested at about 10:02, I believe that is, and has started to decrease as well over the course of the day. Actually, the latest observed crest was 10.03, so you can see it's on its way down. The forecast for the Peace River near Arcadia also crested, on its way down. So all good news there, and the showers that we get today shouldn't really aggravate things at all. They just won't be that. You won't get that much total rainfall. We have a few scattered showers that are now moving through parts of northern Longboat Key, Holmes Beach, Anna Maria seeing a little bit of light drizzle and rainfall, and now into Bradenton and Cortez seeing a little bit of light rainfall. We got some showers out in Gulf waters that tend to get a little bit closer to the land, but as they do so, they also tend to kind of die out in intensity a little bit. Put the rain chance at about 20% for the morning hours, and then by afternoon about 30%. That'll be mostly inland, and you could see a few thunderstorms building there. There's our one shower. Some moderate rain falling with that. Again, we are looking at these to be fairly fast moving and not produce a whole lot in total rainfall accums. Across the peninsula, chance today at some standard thunderstorm activity. Not a lot of potential for any kind of severe weather today, so just look for those scattered showers. In fact, they may help cool things off in the afternoon, especially for those folks who really don't have too much in the way of cooling ability since their power's still out. High pressure brings us that wind out of the east, shifting to the west this afternoon, and Jose continues to lift north out into open waters of the Atlantic. Mostly sunny, nice afternoon, and then those slackened winds allowing for sea breeze building later on in the day. 30%, 40% chance of development from two systems coming off the coast of Africa. The general trend will be for those to drift west. Jose, still a hurricane, has pretty good actual definition in its cloud presentation today. All four quadrants look pretty good, maybe a little less showers in the underbelly. Again, all forecast tracks are suggesting this storm will be a fish storm, which we like. That's exactly what we need right now. A forecast calls for a northwest wind at about 5 to 10, smooth conditions on bay and inland waters, and the official Suncoast forecast calling for, generally speaking, pretty typical weather for this time of year. Daytime highs hovering around the 90 mark.